Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and I'm the crochet designer slash business strategist here behind A Crafty Concept. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the free yarn color chart template that I created for you guys and offer to you all as a freebie. If you don't have the template already, you can download it through the link below. It will take you to a sign up screen where you can sign up to join the Crafty newsletter, which is my weekly email list, and it will be sent to you automatically in your inbox. Once you sign up to the list, you will also get a lot of other free resources to help crocheters start and grow their handmade businesses. Be on the lookout for all of those fun things over the next couple days. Let's go ahead and pull up the PDF that you will receive after you sign up to the email list, and I will show you how to access the template, open the template, and edit the template. Let's hop on over to my screen. Okay, once you open your PDF that you get from the automatic email that comes to you after you sign up to my email list, this is what we are looking at. You are watching this video right here, so congratulations, you found me. But if you would like to make your own template after watching this video to use that's branded for your business and you can create it from scratch, there's a video on that as well. Both of those are linked there. I have a lot of other freebies down here that you might find interesting if you are a crochet business owner, but we are going to focus on this area right here. We have the 8.5 by 11 template and the Etsy listing template. This one is formatted to be in your Etsy listings as one of the photos. You get 10 photos in your Etsy listing. This one is formatted for that. This one is formatted for a regular sheet of paper. You could print this one off and use it at your markets or just have it in your binder for quick references, whatever you need. We're going to go ahead and make the 8.5 by 11, but to use the Etsy template, everything is going to be done in the exact same way. So once you click the button, this is going to be what pops up, and then we're going to click Use Template. This is a Canva template, but everything that I've used, you will be able to use with a free account. I have Canva Pro. I highly recommend Canva Pro. If you have a business and you are trying to grow your business, Canva Pro is my secret weapon. I will pay for it for the life of my business. I will put an affiliate link down below for you if you want to try Canva Pro. We are going to click Use Template, and then it's going to load for us here in Canva. This is a color chart example that I did for you guys using Yarn Bee Soft and Sleek yarn, so you can kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like. And then we have the blank template here and the blank template here. This is for 9 yarn colors, and this one is for 12 yarn colors. I highly recommend curating the perfect color palette for your ideal customer and not giving them too many options. You might want to stick with this 9 or even take some away and make it just 6 if you can. But if you have a hard time doing that and you just can't let go of some colors right now, the 12 is at your disposal. We're going to start with this template here, and I'm going to show you how to fill in these little photo frames. First, you're going to need pictures of your yarn. So we're going to open a new tab, and I'm just going to go to Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to look for yarn. Let's do I Love This Yarn. Then we're going to open I Love This Yarn, and then we can see the more colors here. We're going to download 9 images from this website that we want to use on our chart. So look at all the color options that you have, and you want to choose the 9 of the colors that you're going to use in your business. This might not be the prettiest color chart because I'm just going to go for efficiency here, but let's just pick a color here, select it. This one is called pink. I did learn a hack while I was planning for this video. You want to click this magnifying glass here to make the image bigger, and then if you're on a Mac, you're going to hit Control and then click on the image and then save image as. Now we can name the image of this yarn. We're going to call it the color of the yarn. So this is just called pink, and click save. Now it's going to be to my desktop, but it's also down here because I have a Mac. So we're going to go back over here to Canva. We're going to click on the uploads, and that's where you can see all of the other yarns that I've used for the example video. And I'm just going to grab this pink and drag it into the uploads area. If you don't have a Mac, you can upload files and then click it from there. But I'm just going to grab this image and drop it into the uploads area, and then it's going to upload all the way. The reason you want to magnify it before you save the image is because if you save the image from here, it's going to be blurry when you blow it up to fill in the template space. Make it big first, you're going to have a higher quality image. Learned that by accident. So now we're going to take our pink yarn and click and drag and put it over here into our template. So I grabbed it, dragged it, let it go. and then it pops in and fills in that space. It's still in the circle, you just can't tell because it's got a white border. You could leave it like this if you wanted to. If you didn't want the circles, you could just fill it in with all the different I love this yarn colors and have little yarn skeins if you want to. I personally wouldn't use this if your ideal customer is someone who buys finished pieces. If you're a crochet designer and your ideal customer is someone who's buying yarn to make their own thing, this might be a better way because they can tell the brand, they can see what the skein looks like when they go to the store. But if you are selling finished pieces like hats, they're going to want to see the color more than the yarn. So this is how we're going to fix that. We're going to double click on our skein, and that's going to create this little box around our image. We're going to grab one of the corners and we're going to make it really big. The goal is to have nothing but pink yarn filling in that slot. So I like to make it as small as I can without getting that label or the edge of the yarn in the frame. I just think that gives it a nice look. So looks like right there you can tell there's not a piece of the label. It's fully in the circle, and then you just click off of it and boom, you have a gorgeous yarn sample to see what the color is going to look like. After you fill in the yarn sample, we're going to change the name just by clicking color name. I'm going to double click and erase what's in there, and then I'm going to put pink. You are welcome to use your own color names. If you want to call that one bubblegum pink, go for it. I usually just stick with the colors that come with the yarn so I can easily remember when purchasing it later. Another quick tip, and this might be Canva Pro only, I'm not sure, but you can add tags to your images over here. If you click these three dots, you can add a tag. Like I said, that might be a Canva Pro feature, I'm not sure. But I could make this tag, I love this yarn, no spaces because each space will be a new tag, and click enter. And then when I need to search my tags later, if I want to make another color chart later, I can easily find them. Or you can even put all of them in a folder if that's easier for you. I recommend finding an organizational system from the very beginning, and that's going to help be able to find them in the future if I want to make a new template or change the colors that I offer or anything like that without scrolling for days going through all of your uploads to try to find your yarn pictures. So that's all you do. You just grab the picture, name it, upload it, pull it over, and make it big. And then once you get all of them filled in, this is what it looks like. I like to try to give mine an order that kind of makes sense, that's pleasing to the eye. I think having them super chaotic would look a little bit distracting. It wouldn't help your ideal customer see, especially if they're trying to choose between two similar colors. Seeing them side by side is going to help them choose which one they like better. After you finish your color template, you can save it as a PDF to print or a PNG to use as an image. So for the 8.5 by 11, I would save it as a PDF. So go to share, go to download, and then change it right here to PDF print. And then it will save to your computer and you can open up in your PDF viewer and then print it from there. Or you can go share, download, PNG, or JPEG. Both of these are for images. PNG is going to be a higher quality image. And then you're just going to choose the page that you want. So if you just wanted page 1, you can uncheck all of them, just choose page 1 and click done. Then you will have the files to use in your business, in any area of your business that you need. There are no restrictions with this template. I just ask that you don't try to sell it because that is sneaky, and this is a free resource, right? So we don't want to take free resources and try to sell them to other people because that's just dishonest. But that's as easy as it gets, friends. It is not difficult. I hope you feel confident now filling in your own yarn color templates. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you enjoy using your new yarn color chart templates. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for all things crochet and crochet business. I provide free crochet patterns and business tip tutorials like this one on my channel regularly. Also, if you haven't got the template yet and you're not on my email list yet, that's probably the most important thing you can do if you're trying to grow your crochet business, because I send out resources all the time, weekly, if not bi-weekly, if not tri-weekly, like all the time. Serving you guys well is my favorite thing to do. So be sure to be on my email list if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up so it shows up in the YouTube algorithm and other people can find it when they need to make their own color charts. Last but not least, if you are a crocheter, you can go to acraftyconcept.com/free patterns and see all of the free crochet patterns that are available on my blog. Most of them are designed by me, but a lot of them are designed by guest posters that I have each month on my blog. So be sure to check all of those out if you're looking for a new crochet pattern to sell with your new template that you have in your shop now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have an amazing day. Bye for now.